finally arrived. Welcome, Manish. क्या है ये चक्कर? You said कि ना ये लेना ना देना ना डायरेक्टर है पिक्चर के कुछ नहीं होता.
He's the producer of that film. And Juhi
इनके
Chawla,
डैडी थे ये.
इनके डैडी प्रोड्यूसर थे. But Karan used to come to my workshop. उनको पहले से बहुत कपड़ों का शौक था. And कि क्या बन रहा है क्या बनने के लिए. And he came and said कि ये blouse क्या है? This blouse is horrible. And I'm like, how can you say that? Because you're not the director of this film. You've not turned the director as yet. And it was Juhi Chawla's blouse. I don't think उनके blouse के पीछे किसको इतना लड़ा होगा जितना हम दो लड़े थे. And वो blouse फेंका और फिर मैंने देखा कि ये how can you throw this blouse and things like. He said कि नहीं, I'm going for this shooting and I'm very particular कैसे रखना चाहिए. I said, why are you fighting? And we had this huge fight. 2 days we didn't speak.
So how did you become friends? मतलब
I think.
आप तो इनके दोस्त थे.
Yeah, yes,
पहचान थी
yeah. The first, when Sridevi ji called me up and said, "Okay, I'm doing this film Gumrah, and there's this very good producer who'll call you up." And she said his name is Yash Johar ji, and I said, "Oh, I've heard of him. He's a very big producer." And she said, "Yeah, he's very good, and you really like him. He's very classy." And I was like, "Okay." So Yash ji called me up, and he said he was the first producer in my life who said, "Okay, I'm going out of town, and I'm sending you some advance." And I remember going and telling my parents, I said, "First time in my life in the film industry, someone sending me some money before the close."
Thank you.
So that was like, that's how I met Karan.
Very nice, very nice.
And Karan was very sweet, he was very friendly. And I remember going on the set, he said, "Nice costume." And I said, "Thanks," and I just walked off. So he's saying, this guy's like, he's got a major attitude. So one day I called up for Yash. He says, "Don't you say hi to people when you call them up?" And I said, "I'm so sorry, I just called for work." And he says, "No, but you can say hi and how are you and things like that." They invited me for a party. And that's how we got friendly. And he had this great interest, I'm sure bachpan se tha kapro ke andar.
He's got a good taste.
Yeah, he's got a great taste. I mean, you can see the films. And don't ask what harassment we have in these films though. And about this I don't like. One day, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, I went with this ghagra. I said, "Karan, isn't this ghagra fantastic?" So he looks at me and he looks at me and he says, "Yeah." I said, "Don't you like it?" He's saying, "Well, it looks like a tablecloth." And I was like, and my assistants went like, "No, it's so good." And he says, "No, I don't like it. It looks like a tablecloth." And we were very disappointed. We just put it back in the bag and left.
नहीं बट अच्छी बात है ना, हर डिपार्टमेंट में इनको नॉलेज है फिल्म में, डांस के, अपने डायरेक्शन के अलावा.
नॉलेज आई डोंट नो, इंटरफेरेंस है.
इंटरफेरेंस बहुत है ना, लेकिन जब जिसको काम आता है वो इंटरफेयर करेगा. अच्छा एक बात बताओ कि हाउ इज ही ऑन द सेट्स?
I remember कुछ होता है कि time we were all in Mauritius, and the best person there, in the greatest of mood, was Karan. I was like, "Karan, you're sure you know what you're doing, right?" And he's not like, I'm a director and I'm directing, so I'm very tensed. His homework is like 100%. And in fact, that's why I'm always tense with him, because his homework is so good that if you
don't do
mistake,
homework yourself,
then it's like, you kind of, it's your mistake completely. And I was like, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham ke time, I was more tense than him, because I was like, my God, everything is planned, super production, and everything is so detailed that you have to do a good job. So it's one of those things. And I think Karan's humor and his, I think he's very easy as a person, as a director. He never makes you feel like I'm such a big director and there are so many actors and I'm very tensed and ask me about difficult scene kar raha hu. He's got a great sense of humor. I mean, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham.
एक्टिंग भी नहीं करते कि यार मत तंग करो, मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ, सीन सोच रहा हूँ.
बिल्कुल नहीं, अभी मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ तो मैं कुछ सोच रहा हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. He's very chilled.
Very chilled. Great. There's one more person who really says that you're chilled, and उनकी बात सुनते हैं पहले. देखिए.
Hi, Karu. Sorry I can't be there for your show, but it was a little bad timing on your part. But anyways, I remember, I mean, I know that a lot of people think that you're unemotional and just a party time socialite or whatever. But I know for a fact that friendship does mean a lot to you. And I remember when you approached me for K3G, and it was, I remember exactly what you told me at that point. I remember you telling me that, that it didn't matter whether we did this film or not, and that it would, that we'd remain friends regardless of whether I did the film or not. And I don't know why, it just made such a difference to me at that point. I really needed to hear that. So thanks. I know that you're my friend forever. Love you.